Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Tuesday morning. It's Stephen Whiteside here from theuptrend.com. Going to do a real quick update this morning. We've got stock index futures currently trading down across the board while commodities are trading higher in the pre-market on Tuesday morning. A couple of stocks in the news this morning. Ford's out with earnings, currently trading below the lower channel line. So it's down about 5% in the pre-market. If that holds going into the close today, that would certainly give us a new daily sell signal. Trump Media has had a couple of great days recently. It's been on a tear since early October, and it is once again trading higher in the pre-market on Tuesday morning. Now, yesterday turned out to be a fairly quiet day for the market. There's the iShares for the TSX 60 actually ending the day higher, even though we saw weakness across the board in the world of commodities. So closing up 20 cents on Tuesday, we're looking for a close below $37.05 to give us a new daily sell signal. Circle K was the big winner yesterday. It is technically back on a very light buy signal there as of Monday's close. Cameco is the next big winner. A close below $73.90 would give us a new sell signal on Tuesday. And then Magno is up on the day. That was the next big winner, and certainly no change in trend there. Looking at the Dow had an inside day yesterday. The big winner was 3M, closing at the lower channel line, so a close above $133.94 would give us a new daily buy signal on Tuesday. Inside day for Goldman Sachs, looking for a close above $524.61 to give us a buy signal. And then there's an inside day for American Express, looking for a close above $275.42 on Tuesday. Looking at the SPY, that was an inside day on Monday. And then big lithium was the winner yesterday. It is back on a buy signal as of Monday's close. There's a new high for Carnival, no change in trend there. And then we had a big update for Steel Dynamics. Unfortunately, it's trading back up towards resistance. If we look to the left, you can see 137.50 acted as resistance previously. If we can take out the recent high from about 8 days ago, then look for a move up to 150. Then looking at the NASDAQ 100, again, we had an inside day. We're still on a buy signal. What worked? ARM Holdings traded up into the channel yesterday. A close above $151.37 would give us a new buy signal on Tuesday. Moderna was the next big winner. Unfortunately, not enough to give us a buy signal just yet. Looking for a close on Tuesday above $56.06. Then looking at PDD, we need a close on Tuesday above $130.19 to give us a new daily buy signal. Now, what didn't work yesterday? Well, anything commodity related. We knew that in the pre-market that we were going to see some selling in the energy sector. So there is the TSX Energy ETF back on a sell signal as of Monday's close. Remember, on Friday, we closed on a new buy signal and then waved that off yesterday morning. And there's the S&P Energy Sector ETF, still on a sell signal, no change there. A lot of recovery off the low of the day, which may mark something going forward. We'll just have to wait and see. And then we've got gold. We've got the GDX on a sell signal as of Monday's close. And we've got the XGD also on a sell signal as of Monday's close. Okay, folks, that's all I wanted to cover in this morning's presentation. We're a bit behind in a lot of things at the uptrend because I was sick, and we moved a lot of the one-on-one tutorials from last week to this week, and unfortunately, I'm going to have to move a lot of tutorials from this week to next week. So I apologize for that scheduling situation, but unfortunately, it's not something I could do much about. You do not want to be on a one-on-one tutorial with me, listening to me cough and hack. Enjoy the rest of your day. Next time you'll hear my voice is on Wednesday morning.